been following these emus along the fence line, and I can get close to them. They're a little bit suspicious, but what I'm going to try and do is I'll run. Thinking. I'm going to leave this costume down along the fence line. What I'll do is I'll run down along the other side of that fence. I'll try and flush through those 1 or 2 emus that were down there. I'll quickly come back around, I'll put this on, and then I'll see if I can get one on the fence line. Because they're letting me get close, but not close enough. But we reckon we'll have some luck. Huh? No, I'll do it that way. I'll do it the other way. The other way's better. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah, well, don't laugh, because these are the only chicks that I pick up. But yeah, anyway, what happens next is just another example of being determined, being in the right place at the right time, and understanding an animal's behavioural movements in what I like to call a 2D environment. Gotcha! Hey, relax. Hey, relax. Woo! And that's it, Chuchi. That's how you catch kangaroos here in Australia. Well, kangaroos are one of Australia's native animals, and they're one of Australia's fastest native animals as well. They're a beautiful animal, and I'll tell you what, they're fast and inquisitive. Oh, don't kick me. Oh. All right, relax. Settle with me. Don't kick me. Don't kick me. Now, Skippy, I'm about to release you, alright? So you just relax. Now, you saw the technique that I was using to incorporate myself. A bit like an emu. I was unlucky. Very unlucky not to get an emu. But out here, it's all about surprise. You never know what you're going to get. And in this case scenario, I've got a kangaroo who really wants to hit me bad. You're okay, mate. I love you. Now, with all the captures, what's most important is that you release the animal. It's vitally important. Okay, mate, we'll go over here and I'll release him. Now, the best thing about catching any animal is also being able to release it back out into the wild. And in fact, that's what makes me happier, is the release. All right, mate, go. Woo! The Eastern Grey Kangaroo! Go, Skippy! Woo! It's absolutely beautiful out here. And that's it, you know. When you catch a wild animal, the best thing about it, Chuchi, is being able to release it back out there into the wild. Let him do his thing. Look at him. Look how happy he is. Keep running! Amazing, amazing. Alright, mate. Well, thanks for your help. Tell you what, weren't bad out there. Yeah. Well, no, look, I told you before, over there on that fence line was much better. If we would have went to where you said, we would have got nothing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which way the sun was going. I could see where the sun was going. There was enough shade there for me to hide. Hey, relax, alright? It's enough out of you. Keep it settled. Oh, listen.